Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to optimize your Tinder profile. So you can see right here, here's my Tinder profile. Head over and you can see that we only have 15% completion. So what you can do in that case is to click on this pencil icon right here, and then in here you can choose the media that you can want as your actual profile. So you can also choose mark photos, and in here you can see your about me page. So you can head over and then say something like about me. For example, let's say something like I like cats. And then on the prompts right here, you can also put in here an answer prompt. Like for example, my weird but true story, my parents will like you, the key to my heart is a good companion. So let's put something like that. And then as you can see, this will save your Tinder profile. So from in there, scroll down in here you can see your interest. So you can head over and then choose if the interest that you have right here is actually true, and it will actually help you find the right match for you as well. So let's head back, and in here you can see your relationship goals right here. So you can head over and then make sure to see if it is actually the true goal that you're looking for. You can also add your pronouns right here. For example, for me, I'll add she and her, and then also the height if you want in here as well. So for example, for me, I'll head over and then put in here height. So I'll put in her 170 and then click on check. You can also add languages, zodiac, education, and all of these things right here. So once you have added this, you can see that we also have a plus 5%. So for example, for the pets, you can put in here the pets, and it will actually put in here a completion of 5% once you're done with that. You can also put in here job title, company, and all of these things right here. But once you're done, you should be able to add some more things that you want. So for example, for this, let's head over and then put in here some photo access in order to upload a photo. So for me, I'll head over and choose this. And then once you have chosen this, click on next. And then from in there, this will load. Now, once it's done uploading, it will actually be able to show on your actual profile. So let's also try to delete some options in here as well if you want to. So if you have completed this, you can head over and see this all in here. So let's head back, and then you can see this on your actual Tinder profile. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and try best to answer. Thanks.